Instead of going down on the face for lymphatic drainage, I'm going to go up for a natural facelift. Let me explain. This muscle can pull the face downwards and change the way our neck and jawline looks. It originates from the fascia over the upper chest and travels upwards and attaches to the lower jaw. This is why we glide up with the platysma muscle. So I'm going to apply my glow oil to my chest, neck, and lower jaw area. First, I take the comb edge of our Gua Sha, which is why the Millie one is so perfect. Place it right here below the collarbone and gently glide upwards, back and forth 3 to 5 times. And yes, this may feel a little awkward to do. Taking the same edge of my Gua Sha, I'm going to glide up the neck, under the chin, and up to the jawline. Move to the back a little, up the neck, under the jawline, and up. Then I move to along the jawline with the same edge, going front to back, coming up slightly, gently bringing it down, and repeat. And notice how I'm holding my Gua Sha. It is about parallel to my skin. It's not out like this. A little tension right in through here. Bring it down. And I do this about 3 to 5 times. And you can already see a little gentle lift here in the jawline from that series, because that muscle does pull everything down. Then we repeat the process on the other side. I have my exact Gua Sha kit below in the description, and if you want me to keep up this natural facelift series, let me know.